Welcome to World Q, where we take you on an adventure to the most stunning destinations around the globe. Today, we're embarking on an unforgettable journey through France. This enchanting country, famed for its world-class gastronomy, vibrant culture, and awe-inspiring landscapes, beckons travelers with its irresistible charm. From the bustling city streets to the tranquil countryside, France offers a feast for the senses. So fasten your seatbelts as we set off on the ultimate France road trip, counting down the top 10 must-visit cities. At number 10, we have the beautiful coastal city of Nice, where the sea meets the sky in a breathtaking panorama. This sun-drenched city boasts stunning beaches that shimmer under the Mediterranean sun. A stroll down the iconic Promenade des Anglais offers captivating views of the azure seascape. And let's not forget the bustling Cours Saleya market, teeming with vibrant colors and mouth-watering local produce. No visit to France is complete without a stop in Nice, the gem of the French Riviera. Coming in at number 9, we land in Lyon, a city steeped in history and culture. Here, every cobblestone tells a tale, each alleyway a testament to its rich past. Lyon's reputation as a gastronomic capital is undisputed, with the city's culinary scene offering a feast for the senses. And let's not forget about its vibrant art scene, where creativity thrives in every corner. Lyon, a city where the past and present coexist in perfect harmony. At number 8, we find ourselves in Bordeaux, the wine capital of the world. This city is a haven for enophiles, boasting world-class vineyards that produce some of the finest wines on the planet. But Bordeaux is more than just wine. The stunning Place de la Bourse is a testament to the city's architectural beauty. And let's not forget about the food, with a culinary scene that's as lively as it is delicious. Bordeaux, a city that celebrates life with a glass of fine wine. Number 7 takes us to the fairy tale city of Strasbourg, where France meets Germany in a charming fusion of cultures. Picture half-timbered houses, their vibrant colors reflecting in the city's canals. Imagine the stunning Strasbourg Cathedral, towering above the cityscape. Here the aroma of French croissants mingles with the hearty flavors of German sausages. Every street, every square, echoes with the harmonious blend of these two cultures. Strasbourg, a city where every corner tells a story. At number 6, we explore the artistic city of Nantes, a place where creativity runs free. Nantes is a city that dances to the beat of its own drum, with innovative art installations popping up in the most unexpected places. The Château des Ducs de Bretagne stands as a beacon of history amidst the city's modern flair. And let's not forget the vibrant music scene, offering rhythms that stir the soul and spark the imagination. Nantes, a city that inspires and delights. Number 5 brings us to the glamorous city of Cannes, famous for its international film festival. Beneath the radiant French Riviera sun, Cannes dazzles with its beautiful beaches, each a haven of soft sand and azure waters. But the city isn't just about sun and sea. Cannes is a playground for the high-fashion crowd, boasting a luxury shopping scene that rivals those of Paris and Milan. And let's not forget the iconic Cannes Film Festival, where the world's cinematic elite gather annually. Cannes, a city that embodies French allure and sophistication. At number 4 we arrive in Paris, the city of love and lights. Paris, a city that's a symphony of culture, history, and romance. Imagine standing beneath the towering Eiffel Tower, its lights twinkling like 1,000 stars in the night sky. Picture yourself strolling through the vast halls of the Louvre Museum, home to some of the world's most treasured art, including the enigmatic smile of Mona Lisa. But Paris isn't just about its iconic landmarks. It's about the charming streets of Montmartre, where artists have set up their easels for centuries, capturing the city's beauty in strokes of color. It's about the aroma of fresh croissants wafting from the boulangeries, the clink of wine glasses in cozy bistros, and the soft murmur of French conversations around you. Paris is a city that captivates the heart and the senses. It's a city that invites you to fall in love, not just with a person, but with life itself. Number 3 takes us back in time to the medieval city of Carcassonne. Nestled in southern France, Carcassonne is a perfect harmony of history, charm, and architecture. Its fortified castle is a marvel to behold, an imposing relic of the Middle Ages. Meandering through the cobblestone streets of the old town, you'll feel as if you've stepped into a fairy tale. This city's rich history is palpable, echoing in its ancient walls and timeless grandeur. Carcassonne, a city that transports you to another era. At number 2, we venture into the bustling port city of Marseille. Nestled on the southeastern coast of France, Marseille captivates with its vibrant multicultural scene, pulsating with energy and charm. The city's historic old port, a hive of activity, whispers tales of ancient mariners, while its stunning calanques, dramatic limestone cliffs diving into the azure Mediterranean, leave visitors breathless. Whether it's the lively markets, the sun-drenched terraces, or the scent of bouillabaisse wafting through the air, Marseille is a city full of life and color. And finally, at number 1, we find ourselves in the majestic city of Versailles. This city is more than just a city, it's a testament to the grandeur of French royalty. It is home to the world-renowned Palace of Versailles, a symbol of the absolute monarchy of the Ancien Regime. This grand palace, with its opulent decor and intricate architecture, is a feast for the eyes. Next, the city welcomes you to its beautiful gardens, a paradise meticulously designed by André Lenotre. These gardens are a perfect blend of nature and artistry, a testament to the mastery of human design. Versailles is also steeped in rich royal history. It was the de facto capital of the Kingdom of France for over a century, and continues to echo the lives of the kings who resided there. Versailles, a city that embodies the grandeur and elegance of France. And so, our journey through the top 10 must-visit cities in France comes to an end. From the coastal allure of Nice to the historic charm of Lyon, the wine capital Bordeaux, and the majestic Versailles, we've traversed a country teeming with beauty and culture. Each city holds its unique appeal, awaiting your own exploration. So, pack your bags and set your sails. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Until our next adventure, au revoir and happy travels from World Q.